In this video, I'm going to show how to walk in Minecraft PC. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to open your Minecraft and enter on the world that you want to walk. Then, to walk, you need to press on Ask, click on Options, Controls, Keybinds right here, and find right here, Walk Forwards. Okay, you need to put the key that you want to use to walk. By default is W, okay? So click on done, and if you want to change, you can put any other key. Just click on top and select the key that you want to walk. So you come on your Minecraft, and to walk you just need to press on W. You will see that you will walk on Minecraft. If you press 2 times W, you will run, okay? If you want to increase the speed, you can also press space to jump and run at the same time, okay? But you will get hungry more fast. Now if you want to make this, you just need to press shift. So you just need to press shift to squat and walk. I hope I helped you on how to walk on Minecraft PC. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.